This is After the Drive, a new segment on my channel. This isn't a review, it's just about how the car feels. Today's video is about Creta EV. I recently took a test drive and this is my feelings. Creta EV looks sharp and clean. The body feels smooth and modern. Inside, it's minimal but premium. A fresh cabin that feels light on the eyes. When it comes to smoothness, I think it drives really smooth. No noise, no vibration, just glide. Whether in traffic or on open roads, you feel in control without pressure. The cabin is calm, ventilated seats feel cool and comfortable. The sound insulation is good, so everything inside feels peaceful. You could just drive for hours. Creta EV doesn't try hard to impress, it relaxes you. The way it moves, the way it feels, you enjoy the silence, you enjoy the drive. After the drive, you don't remember the specs, you remember the feeling. Creta EV is not exciting for drive, but if you want peace, it's a great choice.